Anyway, no, I was just I was, you know, I asked it, I asked the AI about prednisolone and my tapering, and how I was on 40 milligrams on the on the 18th, Saturday the 18th of October, and how the schedule for tapering was to reduce it by 5 milligrams every 5 days, which I was fine with. And I had a nurse that was coming in and during sort of October and November, well, a variety of nurses that were showing me how to do my blood, test my blood sugar, which I know perfectly well how to do it, but anyway, they had somebody come around and show me how to do it. And I had a sharp spin, and it's blooming full now. Sharp spin is sort of, well, it's like a bucket. It's almost as full as an orange bucket of water is in my kitchen. This is all right. Yeah, as I say, I've got a system where I order stuff from Amazon that I really need. There we are. I've got a variety of entertaining t-shirts that don't really go out much at the moment, so I haven't had the opportunity to wear them when I'm out and about. My fan heater stopped working. I don't know why. Electricity went down yesterday, or ran out. The damn fan heater stopped working, and I remembered I had another one of these ceramic ones. So I've got that one running now. Let's go up the stairs. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. I think it's now in the loft. But there we go, that's a nice piece of salmon with tarragon on it, and some ooh, I do feel a bit wobbly at the moment. It's the prednisolone. Ooh, I'm taking. So and the pears went all nice and soft, and yeah, you have to leave them for a week before they go soft, really. But I've run out of grapes, so I'm going to get some more grapes. There's a few things that I'm going to get. Today, the orange bucket is quite full, and the periodicity of the drops has changed, so there's quite a lot of water in the black bucket as well. So I could, in theory, calculate the knowing the 2 volumes of water in the 2 buckets, if the rate had stayed the same, constant, then I could have worked it out what the based on the elapsed time, what the volume of the drops were. but you can see that the that one does a drop, then that one does a drop, and that one drops, and that one drops. So they're pretty much in sync now. So I'll take my lactulose in a bit, and these syringes actually come in very handy for doing things like extracting 15 mils from the from out of these bottles. So you know, they're not complete waste of time. I bought quite a few syringes and whatnot for when I was tapering off the Prozac, because I bought different bottles, so I diluted the solutions to different strengths at different times, and I was using, most of the time I was just adding small amounts of Prozac into water using a 1 milliliter syringe. So I was doing that for quite a long time, and feeling better now. I'm not getting so much lows and things, but I've got the Prednisolone now to deal with, and there are some side effects of that and make me sort of feel a bit jittery and wobbly and stuff at the moment. So hence this is me talking about what it's really like for me.